Howdy, paper engineers. Here's the deal here. This has got to be strong, so I've got super thick paper in here. Very durable, very tough. Now, something you have to do, this bubbled when I laminated it, and so I had to take and fill those low spots, which are on this side, with paper towel and Elmer's glue. And then I covered it with a sheet of junk mail, and then I put this piece on top. Okay, as you can see, it's a Crunch Berry box. So now that I have this, I've sanded all this edging so that this thing lays very flat. Now what you have to do is this is going to have a secret compartment in it. So what I've got is I've got these super heavy duty pieces of paper laminated together here. These will go on here because the 4 drawers under here will be all attached to one. So when you pull out one, it comes out all by itself. Oh no. Now that just made me change my mind on something. Why don't I make 4 drawers down here instead of 1? Well, 1 drawer I think would be easier. And I want to lock it in. So I can't make 4 drawers because I can't get them all to lock closed when the door is shut. So anyway, this goes on here. You have to cut these pieces too. All of these are the side rails that are going to go on here, just like this. All right, this is what's going to keep this all lined up and not falling apart for years. So anyway, this is the second floor going on here. This is the first floor. First floor has drawers in it. Second floor has the jewelry box itself. So the reason I cut these at this length was I wanted to have definition in here so that you could see this. And when it's painted, you will see this line. It'll look just like it's supposed to, a real detail box. The back sides will not be the same. So anyway, that is this one here. And so that's what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to start this part, excuse me, and start working it upward. At this point, you should be able to start moving everything upward and not have to work on this part anymore. Okay, so let me see. That's going to go there and this is going to go here. Now what I have to do is I have to glue these on in the right locations. Now you want these to stick out just a tiny bit on this edge and on the other edge, because when you put this piece on, it needs to butt up against it, just like that. And I think I measured those wrong. That's okay. This is the bottom of a Pepsi box, so it's long lasting. Anyway, that's where I'm at with this. I'm going to be gluing these in place next. There's 3 of them, and I've got them all sanded down. Okay, you got to hold them together this way, and you have to sand these off, because what you have to have is you have to have the exact same elevation on them. All right, Paper Army, there you go. I will see you LTR.